Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for returning to Classic Cars Connection. I'm Dave from Coast Motor Company in Palmetto, Florida. I'm at a little car show today, and when I came across this truck, I wanted to bring it to you. There's nothing more American than this truck right here, or hot dogs and apple pie maybe, but this truck right here is Americana, baby. I'll take you around it a little bit. But first, let's just go ahead and look this over because it says it all. Go ahead and get under the hood here. We'll take a peek at this inline 6-cylinder. Believe it or not, that's all you needed to power something back then because it was built right. This truck's pretty cool. It has a lot of history. I'm going to go over with you in a second. We're going to go down the pictures of the restoration. First, we're going to take a little peek inside. There wasn't much to them. They were just metal and pretty much metal. Now everything's plastic and junk. So sad. Let's run down this pictures here. We'll do it what looks like backwards. Here's a picture of it, what looks like done. Looks like some serious body work and sanding and stuff was going on here at some point. There's the truck without the front end on it. Without seats. Looks like a lot of welding, a lot of patching work was done. It's awesome when people have all these pictures to show you. It looks like a new floor was put in. All these panels. You know you're working when you have pictures like this. You know you're working on something.
Oh yeah.
Guys, it's a really nice truck. I can appreciate the work that's been put into this truck because back in the day when I was 16, I used to work on Jaguars of all things, and they would come in pretty rough shape, and we would put them back together. This was in rough shape. You can see from the pictures, it was in really rough condition. So a lot of time was spent on this truck. It was no joke. For it to be here today in the condition it is in is amazing. It's a testament to the will of somebody. If they really want to do something and they have the will, they'll make it happen. And that was what these colors represented and still should today. The will to succeed, to press on, to move forward with your dreams, with your wants and your desires. Beautiful truck.
Can I get a copy of your work?
Sure. Absolutely.
You doing this for just personal? Or?
Yeah, I have a little YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm talking to the owner right now of this truck, and I'm going to send him this video directly to his email when I'm done with it. But yeah, it's odd that I run into owners, but I've actually ran into him while doing this video of his truck, and if he doesn't mind, I'm gonna bring him into the video. Is that cool?
Go for it.
All right, guys. This is the man that owns this truck, and I'm sure he's very proud of this truck. It's a very beautiful machine, as I went over already with you, and it speaks to the willingness and the determination to bring something back from pretty bad condition and make it beautiful again, like we can do. And we've proved that generation after generation we can make things better than they used to be, but we have to work hard, as this gentleman obviously has worked on this beautiful truck.
Thousands of hours.
Thousands of hours, as he just said, and probably a lot of blood, sweat, and tears, wondering why you're doing it, but you, at the end of the day, know why. Brings you joy, brings other people like me happiness, and all my viewers. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end this video on that note. I appreciate you being here. Once again, I'm Dave from Coast Motor Company in Palmetto, Florida, showing off cars, trucks, Jeeps, motorcycles, airplanes, skateboards with engines, lawnmowers, fire trucks. The list goes on. I don't know if I covered everything, but I hope I did. Thank you so much for being part of this video. Subscribe, please.